Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you a room in Best Western, downtown Stuart, Florida. I want to show you a room in this hotel. There is a reception. Hello, how are you? So 11 p.m. Okay, there is a fitness center. Kinda cool. They've got some weights. Weight, professional. Parking lot has some nice palm trees. I'm gonna show you tomorrow on the daytime. So my room is 118. And it's actually really nice. Smells good. It's clean. Nice big bed. Very clean. Has USB, charging ports, AC, desk, fridge, TV, of course, microwave, clean bathroom, iron, hair dryer. Yeah, it's very clean. Smells really good and it's clean. It's good. I'm surprised. Yeah, fresh towels. Yeah, it has everything what you can expect. The rest of the hotel I'm gonna show you tomorrow. Good morning. There is a business center. ATM. Oh, the breakfast is here. There is a bar. Police closed, I guess. Ice vending and laundry room. Oh, some ice is here. Alright, that's good. Okay, let's go upstairs. Wow, it's nice here. I hope I'm not gonna wake up other guests. Okay, there is one more thing I need to tell you, which I didn't know yesterday. This place is very nice, clean, but it's loud. There is like airport nearby and trains, all the night trains honking. So it's really not comfortable if you want to sleep well. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.